Let's learn name of vegetables.
Vegetables, vegetables, we are vegetables. Let's have fun with us.
Hi everyone, I am Carrot. Hi friends, I'm a tomato. I love playing in the garden. See you next time. Hello, my name is Potato. I live in this sunny field. It's great to meet you. Hi there, I'm Red Onion. Welcome to my garden. Hope you have fun. Hi, I'm Eggplant. Welcome to my garden. Hello everyone, my name is Cabbage. Hi, I'm Cauliflower. Welcome to my garden. I love growing with my friends. Hello friends, my name is Spinach. I love growing in this beautiful garden. Hi, I'm Chili the Chili Pepper.
Vegetables, vegetables, we are vegetables. Let's have fun with us.
Hey kids, hope you learn vegetable names well.